Hi guys, today we are introducing how easy it is to really install an air seal product into a normal little car. We've got today a little Tyre. It is 165 by 60 by 14 rim. Okay, and what we did for preparation is we just put a brick under there because we don't want to do any jacking up at all. We just want to secure the car as it is. You need, when you buy the product, you will get a little pipe with it with a core remover for your valve. So, and you park your car with a valve in a 2 o'clock position. So let's just put that down there. We've got the core remover. You take your little cap off. Put it safely there. We will now replace this cap with a different color cap to indicate that we have air seal in our Tyre. Okay, easy to do. You take your core remover of your valve, insert it, you let the air out, so remember to secure your valves, put it in a safe place as the Tyre is now deflated completely. From this point now, you have now already put your pipe onto your bottle. We're going to squeeze in a quarter of this bottle. So this bottle is enough for one vehicle. Okay, so what you do is you secure it, squeeze your bottle, look at your line on your bottle, and the result is that your air seal product will be running into the Tyre and be gathering at the bottom. I think that's about right. So you take your bottle off, you use your cloth just to wipe a bit of hands there. Okay, so guys, I've just wiped the valve a little bit, so we're going to slip our little valve gadget back in there. And we're using our valve remover to now screw it back in. Okay, so there we go. Your valve is securely back in. We're now going to re-inflate our Tyre. That's how easy it is. So here we have our compressor ready. We pop that on, make sure it's on, and we want to inflate the Tyre back to 2.3 bar. And it's lifting, and our product is basically installed. And it's as easy as this. So we're sitting back on 2 bar and maybe 2.1 bar. Okay guys, that is it, done. And when you put air seal in, make sure that you put a different color cap on it to indicate that you have your air seal in that Tyre. Okay guys, as you can see, that was really an easy job, and even us women, we can fill up our tyres with some air seal. We can be confident that we can drive anywhere at any time, never get a puncture, we'll get better fuel consumption, and our tyres will absolutely always be the same pressure. So signing off from Delene.